Assalamu alaikum guys, once again welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In the series of 200 technical terms for civil engineers, this is the part 4. If you didn't watch the part 1st, 2nd and 3rd, so the link is in the description of this video, or watch at the end of this video, part 1st, 2nd and 3rd. Let's start. This is the part 4. So guys, I will start in this part 4th from 31 terms to 40. So the first one is water absorption should not be more than 15% for first class brick. Because this is one tip in checking a first class brick, that the brick should be checked for water absorption. If the brick absorb more than 15% of water from their self weight, so that should be second or third class brick. So it should not be absorb more than 15% of water. If it absorb 15% of water, so that is first class brick, right? The term number 32, compressive strength of first class brick is 3.5 Newton per mm square. When we check the compressive strength of brick in compression machine, so the compressive strength of brick should not be less than 3.5 Newton per mm square with the help of compression machine for first class brick. The term number 33 can show you mixed free fall of concrete allowed is 1.5 meter. Concrete fall, when we fall the concrete from the height of a labor, okay, during concrete placing or concrete pouring in slab, okay, so the maximum free fall of concrete should not be allowed more than 1.5 meter. So when they fall the concrete from the height of more than 1.5 meters, so otherwise it will make segregation and bleeding. So the concrete should be free fall from the height of 1.5 meter, this one. Okay. Guys, the tip number 34, hook for stirrup is 9D for one side. Hook for stirrup, you can see guys, this is stirrup for beam. As you can see, this is hook, okay. So the hook length should be 9D, where D is die of steel bar for this stirrup dia should be mentioned here, 9D for one side. So for other side, we will plus the other hook 90, right? And hook is very important, and with the angle of 135 degree. Okay, hook should be bent with the angle of 135 degree. Guys, the 35 tip can show you numbers of stirrup, how you can get number of stirrups. What is the formula? So clear span, for example, this is a beam, okay, so this is clear span, okay. So clear span divided by center to center distance between, spacing between two stirrup. If that is 7 inch, 6 inch, okay, so we will divide clear span by spacing of stirrup, then we will plus 1. It will give us number of stirrup in beam. And also number of ties in column. So number of ties. So clear height of the column divided by spacing of stirrup plus 1, okay. Tip number 36, chairs of minimum 12 millimeter dia bar should be used. Chair in slab, you can see the picture of chair also, you can see like this is a chair, okay. To separate one mesh also we can use the chair, steel chairs in the case of foundation, especially in raft foundation. Term number 37, in steel reinforcement, binding wire required 8 kg per mt. So we required 8 kg per mt, okay, not for 1 man or 50 kg for mt, okay. Tip number 38, lapping is not allowed for the bar having diameter more than 36 mm. If the dia of steel bar is more than 36 mm, so we should not overlap. The lapping is not allowed. So we will weld the lapping for 36 or more than 36 millimeter die of steel bar. So lapping is not allowed. So it will weld. Okay. The term number 39 is all reinforcement shall be free from all the reinforcement bars when you are using for beam, column, slab, foundation, for anything. So the reinforcement bar shall be free from rust or corrosion, mud, oil, coat of paint. More people, they paint the steel bar. So the steel should be paint from a start point and end point, okay, to protect it from the rust or corrosion. Otherwise, if the steel cover is coat of paint, so that is not that should be not used in building construction, because it can't make a good bond between steel bar and concrete. Okay, so the all reinforcement should be shall be free from the rust, mud, oil, coat of paint, or any other substance. Okay, the last one in part number 4, and in next video I will start from 41. Okay, in part 5 I will start from 41. This is the last one, term number 40, that is concrete cover in column. Concrete cover in column should not be less than 40 mm or 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch concrete cover for RCC column. So guys, these are the 10 technical terms in part number 4 in the series of 200 technical terms for civil engineer, and every civil engineer should be remember these points. If you are non-civil engineer, so you should also follow these terms which I am discussing in next video and also in present video. So guys, if you have any questions, so you can comment, I will try to reply your answer. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.